So I basically created this whole face by using this palette, and it has been 8 hours. It's actually 7 o'clock in California right now, so it lasts like forever. And the mascara I'm going to use is perfect for monolid or hooded eye. If you're interested, continue watching. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anne. So today I'm going to do a review and try on for my new favorite palette from Decay Kristen Leanne, the eyeshadow collection. I mean, this is actually the first time when I saw an eye palette without just thinking twice. I know I'm gonna like it. I just bought it immediately. They have all my favorite color. So yellow, blue, and pink, 3 color will make a great combo. You know, some people say, ooh, the color is vibrant. You know, when it comes to vibrant color and when it comes to makeup, I'm all about creating more wearable look. I play with a bunch of vibrant, bright colors. You know, I like to keep it clean and simple. So there are 2 ways of applying eye makeup. One is a vertical gradient. The other one is like horizontal gradient. For this kind of look, I like the vertical gradient. It just looks much cleaner and more sophisticated, and it's easy to apply. It's perfect for hooded eye or monolid. For the brush, I like short dense side, but this side is a little bit long and a little bit loose. So what I did here is a trick, is I use a rubber band and wrap it around, so it's dense and also has like a dome shape. So I'm gonna use this color as a transitional color. And then I'm gonna use the light blue color to put it right like the orange color. The color is super pigmented. And then I'm gonna use the dark blue eyebrows. This one is like perfect for like monolid or hooded eye because you don't need to measure it, it just automatically shows. And for the bottom, to make it more balanced, first use this pink as a blush. I can also use for my lips, so my lip color is almost the same as this color. I think the blue really made the brown eye pop, especially when you look down when the sun hit. And this kind of look is perfect for monolid or hooded eye. Let me know what you think and what is your favorite palette. I'll see you next time.